Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Binance verified account. First, log into your Binance account, either on the website or the mobile app. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, usually in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Identification or Verify Identity to begin the process. You will then be prompted to choose your country of residence, which is a crucial step as it tailors the verification requirements to your location. Next, you will need to submit your identity document. Have a valid government-issued ID ready, like a passport, national identification card, or driver's license. Carefully upload clear, high-quality photos of your document, making sure all four corners are visible and text is readable. After this, you will typically complete a liveness check, which involves a brief facial scan to confirm you are a real person and the document holder. For the next step, you will provide proof of your residential address. Acceptable documents usually include a utility bill, a bank statement, or a government-issued letter, all dated within the last 3 months. It is essential that your full name and current address on this document exactly match the information you provided earlier. Upload a clear, unedited image of this document, ensuring all details are easily readable for a smooth review process. After submitting all required documents, Binance will review your application. This process usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to a few business days. Once verified, your account will unlock significant benefits, including much higher trading and withdrawal limits, potentially up to 200 Bitcoin daily. You will also gain full access to all platform features, such as the peer-to-peer marketplace, staking opportunities, and exclusive launchpad events, enhancing your overall crypto experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.